I'm black, y'all. I'm blacker than black, y'all, period.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah. I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That's every week you get to see me and gonna give this video a thumbs up. You know it's gonna be lit. We get it on the pop, we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping, period. So y'all, in today's video, it's gonna be a try on haul because the video that I had planned for this week, it didn't go through the way I wanted it to. But anyways, today's video, I just want to do a haul that I was supposed to be doing months ago, but I haven't had the time. And I got these clothes from SHEIN. They're just lounge outfits, and I figured I like to be comfortable, and since it's kind of like still cold, yeah, it's still beneficial to show y'all these pieces even though spring is getting ready to come up. But kind of feel like it's gonna be a cool kind of spring. I don't know, hopefully it doesn't get warm anytime soon because I got a lot of pieces that I still want to wear. Now I really do like these type of loungewear sets. Now this one right here can actually be worn in the spring because it's actually a crop top and just some loungewear pants. The only thing I like this, don't get me wrong, the quality is bomb. I have the prices on the screen. Quality is bomb. It's really nice. It's kind of see-through but not really, so you don't have anything to worry about that. I put it on the side so y'all can see how it looks on me. The only thing is I wish it came with one of those long dusters. I think that would have been really cute. But if I could find a duster kind of like this brownish color, because this like a rust color, and I love the color rust. Rust is a really pretty color for the fall time, but girl, you can transition it into any time of the year. Now this next one is a two-piece as well. Now this is really thick, y'all. Really thick. I already wore this one. I wore this the day that we was moving because it was cool. Then it had gotten hot, but I wore this the day we were moving. And yeah, this is just a plain old sweatsuit, tracksuit. I'm thinking of just putting something on this to make it kind of funnish, because this is just plain. This is a plain chocolate two-piece tracksuit, and I want it to be kind of like fun, so I'm thinking of just adding my own additions to the front of it so it can be a little bit more spicy. Like the material on this one is really thick, so if it's gonna warm up anytime soon, you will not get away with wearing this. You're gonna fall the fuck out if you decide to wear these, because it's really hot. It's really hot. Now, this next one, I actually had this one on as well. This is another two-piece set. I wore this to my friend's baby shower. This is really cute. The only thing is, another one, you would probably want to make sure you get it fitted. I got this one in a 0XL, and I feel like I should have gotten it in a regular large, because I'm already like, girl, I don't have no curves or nothing. Like, I got curves, but I don't have no bump. I got a little bit of pinch on my booty, on my derriere, but not a lot. So, girl. But this is really cute though. I like the multi colors, like these two different colors of nude. Really cute. That's what really attracted me to this. And the top is just the same, comes in this really color, these two different colors, and it says fashionable on the front. I didn't know what this thing had said at first. I thought this thing said perishables, and I'm like, why would they put perishables on an outfit? But it says fashionable. And yeah, I like two-piece sets because they're just something you can just put on and go. You don't have to put much into it. You throw on your cute wig, some shoes, and just go, some accessories, and just go. It's just that simple, and that's why I love it. It's another one. This one is not as thick as that brown one, but it kind of gives you the feeling of that brown one. It does seem like it's gonna be thick to wear in the springtime. I'm not really sure you could get away with wearing it right now because it's still cool, and Mississippi is, girl, we just had some snow, and couldn't go anywhere, but this would have been perfect for like during this time. Now how cool Mississippi is, I could wear all these outfits and get away with it because it's still cold. So that's why I decided to go ahead and get them, because it's still cold here. This one does have some accents on it. It has like this picture on the front. Not really sure what it says. Really cute. This picture is really nice. I don't know, maybe this picture of Picasso or something, I don't know, but that's what made me like this, because of the art, and I thought that was really cute. So yeah, I thought this was really cute. Kind of like took me back to high school. I used to love wearing like skater skirts and stuff like that, and I thought that this was really cute. Now this one, it will be cute for the springtime. I think you could get away with wearing this in the springtime. It's just this sweater. Now this sweater is really thick. The sweater might be hot for the springtime, but you can roll up the sleeves, and the skirt is already just a skirt, so it can be worn during the springtime, and you can actually get away with wearing it during the springtime. Now this is not like white, it's kind of like an off-white, kind of creamish looking. Really cute though. I think this is gonna be really cute together. I would actually put some I would actually do these with some sneakers, because I think that'll be really cute. And then it's a skater skirt, and I love the way skater skirts look on me, because kind of like it gives the illusion that I have hips and curves, and girl, I be wanting some body yaddy, and that's what this outfit is giving me. All right, now this next one, now this is just a real dope outfit to me. I saw it and I was like, really cute. Really cute. This can be worn all year round. First of all, the pants are not thick. They're really thin, like thin paper, but they're not see-through, so you could get away with wearing these without like trying to blend in your underwear with it, so it won't look like they're see-through. You get away with it. Now I got this because of the word black, because I'm black, y'all. I'm black, y'all. I'm blacker than black, y'all, period. So I got this because it says black. I don't know why I haven't worn this yet. Still have time to wear it. So, you know, really not that big a deal as to why I haven't put it on yet, but I really thought this was cute. I got these pants oversized like this because I like the oversized baggy pants. I love baggy looking pants, and I think they're really cute. And next piece is this two-piece as well. I thought this was like a schoolgirl look. Really cute. It's like this bluish tinge. Both is blue, but this is like a dark navy blue, and this blue is like a sky blue, what would you call this kind of blue. And the skirt is the same color as the collar, and it's a two-piece set. Gonna make me think that I'm like a preppy girl in school. I think that's really cute. I'm gonna do some stockings under here. I love the way that this skirt is made. I'm just hoping that it doesn't be too big. Hope it fits me just right. It does have a split on the side, so you can transition this piece from winter to spring and make it work for you. Like I said, I'm still do stockings under it even in the springtime, because I just want to, and I think that's gonna be really cute with doing some stockings. And then lastly, y'all, now this mug right here is going to be hot as hot can get. It's gonna be hot. This burly thing here, teddy bear material, girl, when I tell you, you'll burn up. This is one of these pieces that you wear on a real cold day. Like this, I could have gotten away with wearing this today because it's really cold outside. I could have worn this today, but this is one of them ones that you're gonna really fall the f out in, because it's just that thick. As thick as it is on the outside, it's just that thick on the inside. It's just like this plush material on the inside. Really soft. Feels really good. Feels like something, like this whole set feels like covered. I like the color of this as well, this cream color. I really have been getting more and more into, I know you guys can tell, I've been getting more and more into the nudes, the browns, the creams and stuff like that. I don't know why, but I just have. I think they are really dope colors for right now. That is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know if you have, let me know of what pieces that you liked in this haul. It's not too late to wear your winter clothes. clothes, honey. It's not too late. I know winter is getting ready to pass, but you still have time. You still have time right now. So go ahead and get your wear out before the spring come up in here and slap you in the face, and then it's gonna be too late. And we don't want that. Period. That's it, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.